Welcome to our travel tips segment, where we'll be discussing the top 10 items you should never pack in your carry-on luggage. We'll simplify the packing rules and regulations, shedding light on items to pack and those to avoid. From sharp objects to unsuspected items, we'll clarify travel regulations and common misconceptions. The goal is to ease your journey by avoiding security checkpoint troubles. We'll list items and explain why they're discouraged. Grab a pen, we're about to simplify your travel packing. Let's dive in and ensure a smooth travel experience. First on the list are sharp objects and weapons. Everyday items like kitchen knives or tiny scissors become potential hazards in air travel. They transform from daily essentials to threats. The sharp objects category includes anything with a pointed or cutting edge. Their commonality is potential danger during air travel. The aim is awareness, emphasizing safety. These items are prohibited in carry-ons and should be packed in checked luggage, ensuring safety and peace for all on board. Moving on to liquids, gels, and aerosols, a crucial point for every traveler. The 3-1-1 rule is vital. The 3 is for 3.4-ounce maximum container size. Exceeding this isn't permitted. The 1 indicates all containers must fit in a 1-quart clear bag. This speeds up security. The final 1 limits passengers to 1 bag, controlling quantity. Excess goes in checked baggage. This avoids compliance issues and ensures a hassle-free travel experience for you. Next, let's talk about batteries and power banks, vital for keeping devices charged. Beware, they can become hazardous in extreme heat conditions. Batteries, specifically lithium-ion or lithium metal types, can overheat, leading to potential fire or explosion. A rare but disastrous occurrence, especially on planes. Airlines advise storing these items not in carry-on, but in your personal item or checked luggage. Always keep them in your personal item or checked luggage. Sporting equipment such as baseball bats, golf clubs, and ski poles are a big no-no in your carry-on. These items, while essential for sports, transform into potential hazards in flight. Baseball bats can cause damage if not secured. Golf clubs, though humorous in the aisle, are hard, sharp threats. And ski poles, with sharp points and length, are tricky in confining spaces. They can't fit in usual compartments and need extra caution. So remember, these items should be checked to ensure a safe and secure flight for everyone. Tools and self-defense items, including martial arts equipment and firearms, are strictly prohibited in carry-on luggage. This rule safeguards passenger safety. Airlines have firm regulations about carry-on items. Even common items like nail clippers could cause disruption. The tools and self-defense category isn't just weapons, so stay updated. Violations lead to severe consequences. Secure these items in checked baggage to avoid security issues. So the next time you travel, make sure to pack them in your checked baggage to avoid any issues at the security checkpoint. Hazardous materials like flammable items, fireworks, and explosives are absolutely forbidden in your carry-on. They can endanger everyone on board. Objects like lighters and firecrackers may seem harmless, but they can cause accidents. Air travel carries risks, and these substances escalate them. Prohibitions are based on expert analyses. Varied cabin conditions could ignite flammable items. Confirm you're not carrying anything dangerous. If unsure, consult transportation regulations. It's crucial to adhere to these regulations for the safety of all passengers and crew. Oversized items exceeding airlines' carry-on dimensions should be checked instead. Such items can cause delays, disrupt boarding, and create tension. They also pose a flight safety risk, especially during turbulence. Bulky baggage stuffed into overhead compartments can lead to a mess, compromising fairness for rule-abiding passengers. Airlines' baggage policies exist to avoid such complications and penalties. Remember, oversized suitcases can obstruct the overhead compartments and pose a safety risk during the flight. When it comes to toiletries and personal care products, remember to abide by the travel-sized restrictions. These are designed for passenger safety, covering items from perfume to toothpaste. They must fit in a clear, zip-top bag, 1 per passenger. This rule enhances security screening. Essential items? Use travel-sized or refillable containers. Check with your airline for exceptions on items like medical or baby essentials. Take this as a challenge to pack light and travel easy. It will not only make your travel experience smoother but also leave you with a little extra room for souvenirs on your way back. Despite shifting laws, marijuana remains illegal under federal law and is not allowed on flights. The federal stance is firm. Marijuana is prohibited. This includes flights regardless of state laws. Even if you're traveling between states where it's legal, federal law applies. Certain prescribed medications also require the appropriate documentation. The rules are complicated, so check with your airline for accurate information. Remember, ignorance of the law excuses no one. You wouldn't want your journey interrupted over a misunderstood rule or regulation. And there you have it, the 10 most crucial items you should exclude from your carry-on luggage. This list is based on aviation regulations and safety standards. It's more than a list, it's a guideline for onboard security. Understanding these rules can make your journey smoother. Airlines and the Transportation Security Administration provide a regularly updated list of prohibited items. It's recommended to check for current information. This ensures safety and avoids airport hassles. It's about being part of a global effort to make air travel safer. Fly smart, pack smarter, and enjoy your journey. In conclusion, if you found this video informative and helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your fellow travelers. Knowledge is power, and by sharing this, you're helping to keep the skies safer for everyone. And if you want to stay updated with more essential travel tips, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Remember, safe travels start with smart packing. Thank you for watching and safe travels.